Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment, your number one channel for news, entertainment gist happening around. Ihedioha asks Supreme Court to sack Uzodinma. A former governor of Imo State, Ihedioha, on Wednesday asked the Supreme Court to set aside its January 14 judgment that sacked him and declare Hope Uzodinma of the All Progressive Congress the duly elected governor of the state. Ndukwe Nwachi, SAN, who served as the state's attorney general during Ihedioha's short-lived administration, disclosed this to journalists in Abuja on Wednesday. Nwauchi said Ihedioha and the PDP filed an application before the Apex Court, asking it to set aside the January 14 judgment on grounds of nullity. He said the election of March 9, 2019 was challenged in the Election Tribunal, where the judgment was delivered in Ihedioha's favor. The matter went to Court of Appeal, which affirmed the tribunal's judgment. The matter went for further appeal to the Supreme Court, which reversed the judgment of the lower court. After the January 14 verdict, Ihedioha and the PDP put together a team of lawyers to study the judgment. That team has studied the judgment and has advised accordingly. Following the advice, Ihedioha and the PDP instructed the team of lawyers to approach the Supreme Court with an application to set aside the judgment. I want to officially inform you that this afternoon, the lawyers filed an application in the Supreme Court urging it to set aside the January 14 judgment. The relief being sought is on grounds of nullity. Details have been conversed in the application. The court will look at the arguments and make a decision one way or the other. In other news, Spiritual Director of Adoration Ministry, Enugu, Nigeria, Reverend Fr Mbaka, has lambasted former governor of Imo State, RT Honorable Ihedioha. According to Oriental Times, Mbaka warned Ihedioha to be careful of his utterances and actions since his removal as Imo State governor if he doesn't want to go to jail. Remember, Reverend Fr Mbaka, during his New Year prophecy, prophesied that Honorable Ihedioha will be sacked from office in the new year. Thus, it happened. The Catholic priest, speaking at his adoration ground on Sunday, stated that he is satisfied with the verdict of the Supreme Court that instated Hope Uzodinma as Imo governor. Mbaka also warned Nigerians to stop doubting or speaking ill against any of his prophecy. So viewers, you've heard it all. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Until next time.